This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going directly to Apps or App Management. Do this now. Once there, tap the app you want to control and inspect its entry page. You need the app's detail view to change connectivity and background permissions, so make sure you're seeing storage, permissions, and data usage sections. If you don't see data usage, expand More or Advanced options. This first step gives you the controls to turn off mobile data, Wi-Fi access, and background sync for that app. Once in the app's data usage panel, you'll see toggles for mobile data, Wi-Fi, and background data. Switch each off to stop internet access and background syncing. If Color OS shows an auto start or launch control, disable auto launch to prevent the app from restarting. Make sure Data Saver is enabled in main settings to reinforce restrictions system-wide. After toggling, return to App Management and verify that network indicators are grayed out. This confirms the app cannot use cellular or Wi-Fi until you re-enable them. To finalize, force stop the app and reboot your phone so the restrictions take effect across services. Once done, open the app to confirm no data flows. Check the data usage screen again for zero activity. If the app still connects, make sure it isn't whitelisted in Data Saver and revoke background activity or auto start permission. As a troubleshooting tip, if an app ignores restrictions, clear its cache and verify a system update isn't overriding settings. Apply the steps again after updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.